Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move layer in photopea from one image to another. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your photopea software. Then open your file. Now you can see here are my file with 3 images. Now I move layer from one image to another. Now you can see here are a layer panel. Now I select this layer, bottom layer. Now click on your mouse and drag to up all these images. Now press Ctrl T to see this image is top of these 2 images. Now I move this second image. Select this second image, then drag on your mouse to up of this layer panel. Now you can see I move image from one image to another very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.